Dwell Gorka mi Gora ICT ka software engineering ki computer science and HTML one programming language ki hypertext markup language mi use ka another long ko ba website ba design and kan website kon la design ten ka website ni ten use ka cheka ten konan use kona ka internet goma gor je auto bayang ka doma der under HTML der ngai ka ja kan kono ka PHP so HTML kan yam to kon ka misha HTML to kon misha la head then goma to kon misha la title and then title you close the title goma you close the head and goma you ben ka open then you say body and then close body then you can close the body here close HTML and then duokel me ku kwa tungwan kwa ngai ka jan dong my first web page okay from namateten mish kon mun go de na nama again de let me split it de jacob ba ma di ba ma tot up to you h1 lo ne head heading heading amana mish kle go binan cha h1 cha latin h1 a code so ku computer ke na ko ja recognize akel me de naslok ajan okay so no mo akel wo me de ye goro de ngaje de ye coding de ye ngaj ko metal software man they use it they mention notepad they use okay start and then type notepad ko kel medit mede kon they use so they jako any door mo go mon they type this file they you file and then they let it save as from save as they go to they work all file and then we make a specific name and they come dot html code define man go re okay do go they save ka yeah aka kuje mo ka my first web page they go to jin they mugwa they lat chentama a belel ka tongnare amene chen ke bora mela tongnare chana ila book kel okay yen book kel le lare nyamal gat atin kala tongnare mon gat atin gat ran okay nyamal agat backup chongan gome take it easy way me de align ke ke de gor model hat ke teten so chana use na ma gome muguje kam de take a gaf me de kulo woje de a gaf me di de long okay a gaf me di mi mo shikona de lonko de kon woje ele mi shikona read and software de kon gab de kon kulo woje okay t other ways ten what de go ke shana wulel manually wana kajan coding inside coding ci konen gon ci do lele paragraph okay ka don't de lele je break let me simple go to control f easy way to do that we can say it this one is br okay from and then br go mungwan ke shan ga de lon ka mo woje ke calculate bonium so I can simply do that way then I will say replace okay then then you watch because logo je go to bunyanga buka taga gaf just not the advanced one okay I can simply say it you put this and then from the slash and then we are and then we close so later I say replace all yeah now let's go to design you can see that namete goma check kind of so another simple way of doing this go to one line can do that a shift and enter and then shift and enter. Okay, yeah, vocal, so shift and enter. So I can simply do this. Mananche jogo kaman name DLL H1 ke format from bigger paragraph heading 1. So so in terms of the check highlight. So we need to make sure that peg of goma karada shabu nyam tongomi. Okay, check H1. We have to do this. Check on go benami go banyang. Okay, we can remove this H1. So we don't know goma lanam. Oh, sorry. So I can also change the format to heading 4. Okay, the color and go they change where I want it. Let me simply keep copying this, and right now she do not go, so I can select all and put them to center. Okay, easy way then madiga nanga center kaja, but for now chana focus gom. The kujamo Monsieur Ngajino no to day one day ka color ke day gujimo day len na match on my Facebook page form. So muku form could create creating a form one way mugo along ko jen ngija kon ko micha table gorka to day form day credit timon way ticketing. The only thing la mala go to banangi keja this one. You simply say input typed and then text. Okay, sorry, let me change it to coin. Okay, text. Okay, txt, and then we say it here name. Okay, it has to be maybe f name or first name. This first name. Okay, and then we close it. Comma, you say first name. Okay, and then we can even say it, sorry, let's say br. Okay, let come here, we say it again, input typed text name, and then you put last name. Okay, and then out here we can close it and we say it, this is last name. A different do down and go regaja. The corner go input typed gender, or let me simply say the age. It's okay. No, sorry. Text, and then out here we say name. Then you put age. Okay. She can below katunganati go conway bana ngajo dunan lehrede. Okay, we do that. So you can simply go input typed, then you put a password, or let me simply say submit. Okay, so name that we want, we got register. Okay, then always and register chajal karola jala submit can reject reset. Okay. So we put again input type, we say research, the name, inside we will put disagree. Okay, this one here we put it to agree, because means agree be we can agree be remove. Okay, now I can save it and call it let me call it form 2. Okay, all the way form 2 dot html. Okay, let me say save. Which work design then and go can con namalat, it's supposed to be h. Okay. Yeah, so to con submit reset kajan h kajan last name kajan first name. They can collect as we want, as many as we want to. Code defend code over down and go corner. Let me simply copy this, so they can change what go over and go corner. Yeah. sorry. Okay, so go corner. Yeah, it define the con manana go con the con go like gender, mobile number. Okay, like nationality. Okay, the department if you want to. Okay, section. Okay, go corner. Or anything like they gurmo they let's check corner, let's say college, then to submit button can reset button, so they should you save it or to con commercial open with bomagorija preview with a web browser. Okay, they corner lip menu 7 aywa yeah it's coming. Let's wait for it. Yeah, now gentlemen, you can see manana gor corner na mecha tok change so so goro de kono gere je tong mi so tele so ajen do dan de gor ga de form de left ga ja. Let me open it with another thing. Okay, all right, we have we're gonna have these things. Okay, form 2. You can see it meaning and goma jana Georgia. Okay, so form you cannot even put it to middle because in time take you select all of this and then you go to property here, there's small button right here, and then you say it align here, but it has to be in middle, so this one could define how it's supposed to be. Okay, but the only good way order con kalat kujaman cut it and put it here, cut it and put it here, H, cut it and put it here. Quite disorder ko go to be complication and then be much korun being it will be easy for you to move around it. Okay, control X and control V, control X and then control V for pasting, control X and then control V village there. So I can simply take all of this and put them here. Okay, so code define way down and go to con none kaja. So she could disorganize along, but there's other ways to do that. We can insert table if you want to. Alright, table with 200 border capacity rows 33. Okay, we can even put this one. You can put this. We can put this. We can put this. Okay, I just one easy way of to show you. Okay, yeah, you can even put anything anywhere here because code different okay, yep. Now can even put all my reset button and submit button X and then put them here. Okay, under this Goma we can have first name. Okay, and this one is last name, age, gender, nationality, it define country, mobile, just know the new ways, don't worry about anything. Okay, now I can even remove this and then there is what you call card anywhere. Where is it? Okay, delete. Okay, now we have this and we can put it to center, align center. So we have to take this one and you put it to center. Go conway. So this one and find the enemy banner border by jaka 0, because thing that's it, to make it look more smarter like this. Okay, you can even remove this thing, so we call it agree. We say that it was agree before, button name agree, but volume is supposed to be okay, submit forms. Okay, but it's supposed to be agree, right? And then this one is disagree. Alright, so let's try to say served and channel low kadundan form done, we say refresh, so you can see it look nice, right? So then my first web page form can all that can take on a change now a disorganized laptop, but get over it, man. Gotta be arrange gua okay. So I'm gonna manager go to but color go take is way they get it, can simply come here body VG color you want it. Alright, I can change it to any color that I want to. I can say served, and then come here and refresh. Alright, so this thing then you get into create album. So this is it. Alright, so just take away down dong me take a drop your comment there. So me chingare lel ben yo de to. Alright, ben yo de ngare de way down there. So thank you, bye bye.